Okay, so it's the middle of April. We're going to take a quick look at the spring garden. So here's our asparagus. You can see the ones in the back are pretty big. There's about 4 or 5 of them that are between a foot and 2 feet, and they're starting to branch out with their ferns there. The other couple are still not doing that great. Got light there. You can see there's 3 to 6 stalks there. Just a couple over there. A couple over here. Not really much over there, so not sure what's going on with this, but might be just coming up a little slow, or might be having some of the root crowns plants might have some issues. So anyway, we'll go into the onion experiment here. Those big heads are starting to explode. See there, over here, all these up in here, they're starting to all of them open up. And this little membranous part's coming off, and they're starting to go open there. So a lot of them are doing that. And then I went ahead and took the cover off so we could look inside there. I also broke the bulb head, or whatever you want to call it, flowering head off that one, because it was kind of dipping down. I might just kind of remove most of it. It's kind of shading some of the, or laying on some of the peas. So anyway, we had a very windy couple of days, and this thing kind of started flapping in the breeze, and it caused kind of a bit of a problem on the one side, because most of the wind was coming from this side, and so it grabbed that edge there of the plastic and kind of swept back and forth, and it looks like it kind of really hurt some of the carrots over there, but we'll take a quick look when we get over there. So what we can see is our peas are doing great. They are all, those are the sugar snap peas, which are doing fantastic. Snow peas here, and just regular, I can't remember what kind of peas, just regular spring peas there. So they're all looking pretty good. Things in the back are hard to see, but they are there. So we've got our 4 kale there coming up. Here's a better look at the kale. Looks like that one's gonna have some troubles, but there's 4 plants there, and then 4 plants right there. And here's our beets right there, a bunch of them coming up. And then we'll look at them when we get over there, that side, but there's beets over there on that side. So then with our spinach, we got these 2 here, which are looking great. They're starting to put up a bunch of new leaves. The ones over there, those 2 are doing it, as well as the 2 back there. And then our chard back there is coming up good. We can see the red veins here. Let's just pop over to the other side here and take a better look at that. So, see here, if I get out of the light, chard right there, the red veins coming up. There's a big cluster there, a few back there. And then the carrots back there are not pretty sparse. The ones up here, the ones where the plastic side here came loose and was rubbing back and forth. You can kind of see how the soil's smoothed out there. So it kind of wiped them out in that spot, but that's kind of how it goes. So here's our another little patch of carrots, which looks good. And these ones up here look pretty good too. And you can see it's starting to put up true leaves there. And our onions over there aren't looking the greatest, but there are a few of them popping up. And then there's the beets from this side. So some of the stuff's looking good, some of it's not looking too good. Like I said, the wind was really severe, and kind of played some havoc with this. And so anyway, but it is what it is, and we're happy that the peas are doing fantastic. And the other things are coming up good. So some things, those little tiny things, the carrots and the onions and the whatnot, those ones are really tricky, and I might in the future try and start those in the house and get them up a little bit bigger, so when they come out here they're not so vulnerable. So anyway, but that's it for the garden. Peas are looking fantastic. Everything else is coming along.